I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Facebook Lite app and tap the three-line menu icon at top right. Scroll down slowly to find Settings and Privacy in the menu list. Tap Settings to enter the app configuration area and view options. Look for Notifications or Notification Settings among available entries. Tap Notifications to open detailed notification controls and preview options. You will use these controls to turn off preview content shown in mobile notifications. In Notifications, open Notification Settings and find the Show Previews or Preview toggle. Tap the Preview option to reveal choices for content shown in Notifications from Facebook Lite. Choose Off to prevent message text and post snippet previews from appearing in push notifications. Some phones list options as Always when unlocked or Never. Select Never to fully disable previews. Exit Settings and wait for a new notification to confirm previews no longer display text. Open your Android Settings app and go to Apps, then select Facebook Lite from the list. Tap Notifications within the app info screen to access system-level notification options for the app. You can disable lock screen content or toggle Show Previews to stop any system previews appearing. If your phone supports when locked options, choose Hide Sensitive Content for stronger privacy. Finally, test the change by sending yourself a message or generating a notification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.